Hi guys, Patrick here of noipgeeks.com, and today we will be unboxing and talking about the new Huawei P30 Pro. Just like its predecessors, the P30 Pro highlights tons of new camera features. It has 4 cameras on the back that consist of a 40 megapixel primary sensor, a 20 megapixel ultra-wide angle shooter, an 8 megapixel sensor with a periscope lens, and a time-of-flight depth sensor. Huawei have been really bragging about the periscope style lens that the P30 Pro has, which can impressively see really far away objects. It also runs on Huawei's Kirin 980 flagship processor, the same chipset that is found on the Mate 20 Pro, which we have a full review linked below. Moreover, there's also the usual flagship stuff like the 6.47-inch Full HD Plus OLED screen, an in-display fingerprint scanner, a 4200 mAh battery with 40-watt supercharge support, and reverse charging, which lets you charge other wireless charging devices. The Huawei P30 Pro comes with 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage, and retails for 50,990 pesos here in the Philippines. Well, basically that's it for now. Make sure you stay tuned as we'll be publishing our full review of the Huawei P30 Pro in the coming days. Again, this has been Patrick from noipgeeks.com. For more details about this device, make sure to check out all the available links in the description below. You might also want to hit the thumbs up button, share this video if you liked it, subscribe if you still haven't, hit the bell icon so you'll get notified every time we post a video, follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and yeah, thank you for watching.